This is the hospital management site. This is the home view. This is the about us page. This is the contact page. This is the register tab where a user can register first name, last name, username, email, password as a doctor or a patient and then sign up. This is the login tab. Now I'm going to log in as a patient first. If I log in as a patient, I'm redirected to the home page. These about us pages, contact pages are the same. These are my appointments, date, time, consulting doctor, and status. I can see my appointments here, and this is my profile. Here I can update my profile. Suppose I have to change my blood group to O positive and address to XX X city, some city, and I click on update. Then my profile is updated. My blood group is O plus and my city is XXS city. And now I'll go to the invoices and payments. These are the paid invoices, date and outstanding amount. This is all about the payments which are made by me at the hospital. This is the medical history tab. Here's the date, symptoms, and prescription prescribed to me. Learn more. This is all about the patient's view. Now I log out. Now I log in as a doctor. I'm redirected to the home page. Same about us page, contact page. Here also I can uh, edit the profile of a doctor. Suppose I have to change the phone number or the age. Then I can update it and it will be updated here. So now I move on to appointments. These are my appointments. This is the date, time, and patient info, patient name. This is all about appointments. I move on to prescriptions. These are the prescriptions prescribed by me. And if I have to create a new prescription, I have to go here, choose a patient, suppose Megha, and she has cough and fever. So I uh, prescribe him anything and click on create prescription. So here the prescription is created. Patient name Megha and prescription symptoms cough and fever. Now I log out and log in as a receptionist. Log in as a receptionist. This is the home view. This is the about us contact page and this is the main dashboard. This is the total appointments. These are appointments which are done, which are completed, and the appointments which are upcoming are this. This keeps on updating. This is dynamic here, and this is the table for appointments, date, time, doctor, patient, and status. And these are the last 5 patients which were registered: name, phone, email, gender, age, update, and remove. Suppose I have to create an appointment. Date is 25th May, 12 p.m., 12 noon, and status is pending, and the patient is Megha and the doctor is Amit. Then I create a patient, and there it is. The noon patient is the appointment is listed here, and if I have to update any person's profile, then I click on update. I go there and I uh, change the age or the email address and click on update. Similarly, I can also delete a user. Here, are you sure you want to delete Ravi profile? Delete. And here the Ravi's profile is deleted. Similarly, we can create the patient also by this form. If we fill out the details and click on create, a patient will be created. So this is all about the dashboard of the receptionist. She can create appointments, she can create patients, and this is the live feed of the appointments which are completed or pending. Now I log out and log in as HR. So I'm redirected to the home page. This is the about page, contact page. This is the dashboard. So here the dashboard is dynamic. This is the total number of doctors. This is the total number of patients. And this is the on-duty doctors whose status is active. And here is the list of all the doctors: name, phone, email, gender, age, update, and here are the update. If I want to update a doctor's profile, change his salary, then I can change his salary and click on update, and the salary is changed. So this, and also we can delete a doctor from the database like we did for the patient. So I'll cancel that for now. So this is all about the HR view, and here also is accounting part where where are the individual outstandings and the consulting's outstandings, patient outstanding, paid and reminder, paid outstanding, total invoice. So these are all the tabs of the HR, and I click on logout. Thanks for visiting. So this is the logout screen, and this is the hospital management uh, website made using Django 3. Thank you.